Hey, how's everybody doing today? My name is Dominic, and I'm reporting at you live from the conference room. We're going to be having another very important business meeting today. Always remember throughout this business meeting that I am not your financial advisor, and this video is made for entertainment purposes only. Now, for the topic for this business meeting today is going to be oil. Oil penny stocks. Both of these stocks, I'm going to be giving you two of them. They both have low float. You know what that means. They can have huge market moves like crazy. Both of these stocks are going to go to the moon. The oil and gas sector is going to be heating up. I think that while everything else is going down, like all my other stocks, my oil stocks are going to be going up. And one of the stocks I'm going to be showing you today is actually green, while everything else is red. It's not up by much, but it's nice to see green on the screen in this bloodbath throughout the stock market. So let's get right into it. Let's look at crude oil price, see what's happening there. So today it's up 2% to $90. Okay. And then if we go and take a look over at my first stock that I'm going to show you guys, it's called Profire Energy. They're an infrastructure play. What they do is burner management and combustion control. I've actually made a video about this one a few months ago, and they are infrastructure. They have huge big name customers, and they have fuel, gas, train management, combustion control, burner management, waste gas management, and burners. And what it is these products are pretty much a box like this, and they're on the outside of the huge oil barrels, and they heat up the oil to 160 degrees. So that's what the company is. They heat up the oil because the oil's got to be at 160 degrees. So that's Profire Energy. And if you go and take a look over at the stock today, it's green on the screen, which is very nice to see. In the year, it's just been stagnant, and this company is actually doing a share buyback program right now as we speak. They're buying $2 million worth of shares on the open market. So that's very bullish. And I listened to their last earnings call from Q3 2021. And they said that they're exploring merger and acquisitions for clean energy, possibly hydrogen. So that will be huge if that happens. And if we go and take a look over at the max chart, if we break out, there's a lot of range with this stock chart. And if we break out, we could be going to the moon with Profire Energy. So that's Profire Energy, ticker symbol PFIE on the NASDAQ. So the next stock we're going to be talking about is ticker symbol ENG. This company is basically an automation software engineering company for the infrastructure, for the energy, clean energy, oil and gas. This company's actually been around since 1985. You might have heard of this company. They actually just rebranded, new logo, new website, new CEO. The old CEO, his name was Bill Koski. He retired, and he's still on the chairman of the board. He owns around 35% of the company, approximately 8 million shares. So if we go take a look over at the website, it's very nice. They got some videos on here if you'd like to take a look. ENG is a multidisciplinary provider of high-value engineered solutions serving the energy industry. ENG offers a full-service engineering, fabrication, and automation suite of services, combined with a proven track record of excellence and safety. Our integrated capabilities deliver comprehensive and innovative series across the energy value chain, executing projects ranging in size and complexity. So this stock, they've been around for a long time, like I said, and they've actually done work for ExxonMobil. So I'm trying to put the pieces to the puzzle together. If you've been following ExxonMobil, they just announced about a week ago that they're going to be exploring into the carbon-free, and their goal is to be carbon-free emissions by 2050. So they actually are moving their headquarters to Houston, Texas, and ENG is headquartered in Houston, Texas. So I think they're going to be a perfect fit for ExxonMobil. I think there's going to be something cooking in the kitchen between ENG and ExxonMobil. So keep that in mind. And these two companies, they're very good. But if we go and take a look over at the ENG stock, it's actually a penny stock, and You guys, this stock, it has huge market moves, like insane. Like you could see they built a hydrogen plant for a company called Seaboard Energy, I believe, and the stock went from 80 cents to like $9. So they're working on a carbon capture technology with a leading university. If I had to guess, it would have to be the University of Texas because that's where they're headquartered. And they're working on a carbon capture deal with them. So it could be going to the moon. And they just announced about a month ago a contract with the government worth $4 million. They actually just announced a contract to build security trailers, about $2 million worth. So it's basically a general contractor for the energy industry, project management. It's very well diversified. I've actually just made a video about it a few weeks ago. If you want to take a look at that, ENG stock, I'll leave a link below for my old video. But if we take a look over at the max chart, I mean, look at this. It's crazy. And I actually did some digging, and Bill Koski, the chairman of the company that owns around 8 million shares, the last time he sold shares of this company was right here. Okay. When it was over $10 a share when he was selling it. So if you want to go and fact check me on that, put it in the comments down below. So far, I haven't seen any sells from him. So I've actually seen some more buying in this area here. So there's something cooking in the kitchen with this company, ENG. They couldn't announce a deal with ExxonMobil. That's what I'm thinking. They have that carbon capture deal. It's a very well diversified company. Take a look at this website. I'll leave it in the comments down below, link, and I'll leave the link for Profire Energy. So oil is going to be the green. I think it's going to be green while everything else is red. So that's just my opinion. That's what my take on it is. And you can see it today. It's going up. It's up 2%. While the rest of the market's just going down. So that's my take on oil. And always remember that the ultimate goal for this YouTube channel is to get rich. Hit like and subscribe. And that's what we're doing around here. Always remember the ultimate goal is to get rich.